Hello, as you may or may not know, we're making stuff for people that travel. And the further you travel, eventually you're going to get a breakdown. You'll need to pack some tools. My name is Michnas. I'm the diabolical overlord of soft luggage shenanigans at Turkana. And this is the Stow Crow tool pouches. We've got two of sizes of them, a quick fix and a bush fix. For ages, and as we started traveling, I did the same as everybody else. I bought a big tool bag. I stuffed it with 10 kilograms worth of tools. It went all the way through Africa with me, and by the time we went halfway, I figured out that this tool bag, how you stuff tools into bags, is not working. And tool rolls is fabric on fabric that you just roll on each other, and eventually it's this big and it fits nowhere. So we had to do something. And as we went on, and I tried different tool pouches and different tool bags and every kind of thing for tools, we got to one thing that really worked, and we made that in the Stow Crow tool pouches. A short one and a longer one. One is we call the bush fix. It's for people that needs a lot of tools going farther. They need a little bit more packing for tools. And then we have the quick fix, which is a shorter one. The main principle is it must pack flat, or trying to pack flat as a book, not a tool roll. It must be big enough that you can store short tire levers or a trail stand, bead breakers like the Motion Pro that you can store in there. And then you must have removable pouches, because sometimes you want to pack your tools in the bottom of your panniers. You don't need them every day, but you need maybe a screwdriver, your Leatherman multi-tool that is easy accessible, so you can have one of those pouches to store them in, and it doesn't go into your main tool pouch. Or you're riding for a weekend, you don't need the whole tool bag, you can take two of the pouches out and that can go with you. And that is what we created. We use shark fur, our proprietary fabric. It's a shark fur 400. It's incredibly tough. It's abrasive resistant, tear resistant, can handle chafing, but it's a very, very good fabric that we use. On the outside of the pouch, there's tie down points if you only need to take the pouch with you on a trip. And then there's also tie down points on the front of the bag with a G-hook just to close it down, and the Velcro pieces. For a start, you can hang the tool bag on your handlebars or any place just by doing that, or obviously throw it on the ground like everybody else. There's two zip pockets on the top that you can use for sockets or small little item, bolts and nuts. And then there's two removable long pouches that comes loose like that. And these ones you can use either for a weekend ride. If you don't need to use the whole bag, you just pack what you need. Or if you need to have some of your tools accessible, easy, that you don't need to have in the bottom of your panniers, because you don't need your tool bag every single day. Then we have the place for all your spanners. And there's enough space and enough volume in them that you can double stack the spanners if need be. And there's place for something like the Motion Pro bead breaker. On the Stow Crow bush fix, we have a little tray, and on the quick fix, that you put together, because many times you have to work in the sand, you sit on the dust, and your bolts and nuts from your rear axle or the front grab screws is gone. So we made a little tray that you put your stuff into, and on the bush fix there's a little magnet inside. You can just chuck the stuff in there and it will stick to that. On the quick fix there's no magnet on it, but it looks exactly the same. You know, sometimes you don't have a piece of fabric with you, and even on a piece of fabric or a little tarp that you work on, bolts and nuts just scatters all over the place. So this is the Stow Crow bush fix. It's 26.5 centimeters long, and it can accommodate basically any short tire lever from every single brand that's out there can fit into this one, plus a trail stand, and like I said, the Motion Pro bead breakers can fit in it. The quick fix is 24 centimeters long. Some of the short tire lever still fits into there, but it's made more for everyday, carry it around weekend trips. Maybe you don't need to have tire levers with you. Maybe, you know, on a lot of the new BMWs and bikes that's got tubeless rims, a lot of people don't carry tire levers and stuff, so they can use a shorter pouch for that. But basically there's two sizes, all the same. The Bush Fix has got the tray with the magnet, and the Quick Fix is a little bit shorter and no magnet in the tray. Pack like a book, but this is our Stow Crow tool bags.